That's clear. Oh my gosh.
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for western Panola County in northeastern Texas, central Rusk County in northeastern Texas until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles east of New Salem or 14 miles south of Henderson, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Henderson, Carthage, Tatum, Beckville, Pine Hill, Minden, Mount Enterprise, Chapman, Glen Fawn, Fairplay, Bratchfield, Churchill, and Laneville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Panola and Rusk.
North
What?
Dakota, that more than likely.
Did they seriously double header?
Solidified the Falcons with a.
So let's just go ahead and check this out on radar because, yeah. So here it is right here. Okay, so I was gonna say it's just a regular tour, but that's not anything to be ordinary about. Oh man, there you go. Yikes.